are amazing. The unknown has no borders. Use the scientific method, playing all steps and orders. Science. It's a scientific method. It's a scientific method. It's a scientific method.
You start with a hypothesis of what's that, you say.
It's just an educated guess. It goes this way. Any question that is complete.
Can a pet grow up all right?
Can a monkey tie a shoe?
Do dogs have their eyesight?
Scientific method. It's a scientific method.
Set up the experiment. Can I make slime?
Only if it's scientific and if it's worth the time.
Your experiment must be the same except for the variable. Yeah, that's his name. Scientific method. It's a scientific method. It's a scientific method. To see if coins fall faster when dropped from different heights. Everything's the same except the height, right?
So height is a variable. It's the only thing you can see. What you drop, when you drop it, all that stays the same.
Scientific method. It's a scientific method. It's a scientific method.
It's a scientific observations. Write down what you see. Each detail is important. Everything from A to Z. Now, here's a hypothesis, right or wrong. Scientific method. Now, everybody sing along. Scientific method. It's a scientific method. It's a scientific method. Scientific method. Yo, 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 yo.